For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once we're on it, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. You can do it in the meantime as we're doing all the other steps in this video. For the next step, we're going to head over to search again and then type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once we're on it, we want to head over to the drive where Windows is installed on. It's most likely on your C drive, so click on your C drive or whatever drive, and then click on the Windows folder. Once we're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find System32. Here it is. We're going to click on this, and then we're going to search right here for RDP Clip, and click on enter. Once we find RDP Clip, you want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on yes. Now you want to see if your copy and paste is working, but if it's not working, then we're going to close this out, this right here. Then we're going to type in instead DWM, and click on enter. Once we find DWM, we want to do the same thing, so you want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator, and then click on yes. Then you want to see if it's been fixed. If it's still not working, then you want to head back over to the CMD at the start of the video, where we did the sfc scan now command. Once that scan's been completed, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.